Alright, today I'm gonna tell you where I get, as you can see at walmart.com, I get the model engines really cheap, really low price. So here's the trick. You may say, I don't see anything good. You gotta be really careful what you are looking. Right here I type Trackmaster. I click the search button, and then we got this page. Okay, see, if you see right here the range prices, I'm gonna click right here to surprise you. Click this. See that, Gordon, for $1? Yes, $1 for Gordon. You wouldn't believe it. Unfortunately, it's only in stock on a store near me, Sandusky, Ohio. There are only 7 units available at this moment. Original price was $9.84, so I will get them for $1 each if I am lucky to find them. I mean, if they are still available. Because if you click the other model engines, Henry's for $47, Hero for $44, $20 for James, $25.95 for Rebecca, and $43 for Spencer. So today I'm heading to the store and I will get as many as I can for $1. Right here you see $1 of these Gordons. Well, this is the way you gotta look on your on the website. You can find the model engines really cheap. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Bye.